Let's talk about the latest launched OnePlus smartphone NORD CE4. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with fluid AMOLED display with 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels. Approximately 93.4% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel. Density, 1100 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus color quality support, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OIS 26mm Sony LYT600 wide angle camera, along with 8 megapixel 16mm Sony IMX355 ultra-wide angle camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 26mm wide angle front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Oxygen OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 2.63 GHz single-core Cortex-A715 plus 2.4 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.47 by 75.33 by 8.37 mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. The color options: dark chrome, celadon marble colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 100-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with infrared remote control. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OnePlus NORD CE4 has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 24,999 Indian rupees, and around $300 and 82,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 26,999 Indian rupees, and around $323 and 89,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OnePlus NORD CE4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.